Hello everybody, this is Panda. Welcome to Vlog Season 2. Someone suggested to me that I should try voiceover on my videos, so here I am. So I actually have a few hours to go to the range today, and first thing I want to check is to tune my Marlin XT22 because I have done some accurizing on the stock for the gun, but it doesn't seem to shoot better than before, and I figured that I need to tune the action screw. So today it's actually quite windy, as you can see in a little bit, that with the snow coming down. The good thing about a day like this is I can actually see the wind start to change direction and when and how fast the wind is blowing, because 22 LR it's very easily affected by the wind. So the method that I'm actually using is that I am shooting 5 rounds group, and then I will change the action screw torque spec with a torque wrench. So right here you see the gun started to have a little bit of issue extracting. And as soon as I finish shooting this group, and I'm going to stop right here and pick the tightest group out of all the different torque spec that I have for today. And after I put away the Marlin, I did bring out my custom rifle that it's built by Jerry and Mystic Precision, and this is my custom Ruger 1022. And today I'm just function testing the gun, make sure it's 100% reliable, and I'm going to feature this gun in the future episode, and we're going to talk more about this gun. So I'm going to put in a picture that actually come up from the last range trip that I print a very tight group at 100 yards with CCI standard velocity with this gun. Right here, 0.7 inch. And I gotta tell you, shooting 22, it's a lot of fun because it's a lot of cheap practice, but I love shooting 223. Yeah, dry fire practice is really important. It's like doing warm-up before you do exercise. So before you start shooting actual rounds, like, you should really practice some dry fire. You can never practice dry fire enough, in my opinion. So this ammo that I use is very temperature sensitive, so I try to keep them warm in my pocket as long as I could, especially in a cold day like this. This gun with a muzzle brake, it's really loud. You really need to double plug, especially when you're shooting under a roof. The sound will just bounce right back into your ear. So yes, you can see the snow coming down from the roof as well. Yeah, well, and the last 2 shots of the day really walking away from me. So when I get home, I took the gun apart. I realized I need to clean the muzzle brake. well, time to pack up and go home. I really need my coffee. Well, see you guys next time.